In this video, I will explain how to enable mods in Opera GX in a few simple steps. So first, let's open up Opera GX. Let's search for Opera GX. Then open up the browser and then just wait for it to load. Okay, so now once it's loaded, let's head on over to the settings menu, which you can find over here in the bottom left, in the left tab or sidebar rather. Click on settings, and then it will take you to this settings over here. And then just keep scrolling down at the bottom, and then you will see GX games, widgets, game strips, and then over here is where you will see the web modding. So when you click web modding, you can add your domains over here to enable the web mods, or you can go back and go to manage mods. This is also where you can just install mods directly that are stored in Opera GX, or if you want, you can also just make your own domain and just add it. So that's about it. That's how to enable mods in Opera GX in a few simple steps. Drop a comment below to let me know if this was helpful or if you need any more assistance. Your feedback is super important to me. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that follow button. Your support really helps in reaching more people who could benefit from this video.